let's do science. Hello, friends! Ready for magnet madness? Let's discover what magnets can pull. This magnet has two colorful ends and a powerful pull. Let's test it. Plastic duck first. Will it stick? Nope. No metal, no pull.
Now the metal spoon. Whoosh! Clang! Clang! It sticks. Magnets pull metal.
One safe test finished. Bolt, please keep the power low. Uh-oh! The magnet is buzzing, shaking, and pulling harder. Spoons, pans, tools, everything metal is flying toward the magnet. My metal button is stuck. Quickly! Bolt, press off. Quickly!
Beep boop! Power off.
We learned it. Magnets pull metal. Test safely with a grown-up. Bye!
Dr. Fizz and Bolt!